It's the Midwest Sheep and Goat Market Report on the Rural Radio Network. I'm your host, Clay Patton. Thanks so much for joining us once again in the Midwest Sheep and Goat Market Report. Let's get right into it and see where the market falls this week. For the week ending August the 12th, Midwest Sheep and Goat Market steady to $15 a hundredweight higher on most classes of prime slaughter stock again this week. The coal market seemed to be fully steady with the week prior. There was only one sale in the western edge of our sale profile that really reported softer prices on the week. Now, something I've started to notice over the past couple weeks, though, is more traditional weight slaughter wool lambs seem to be garnering a bit more popularity at the moment over the lighter slaughter stock, which was more preferred earlier in the year. Now, for those watching ethnic holidays to try and market their livestock, keep a close eye on the end of September. We have Rosh Hashanah and Prophet's birthday coming up towards mid to late September, so that may help to bring up a nearby boost here to the market. Overall, though, the price structure continues to support what we were talking about last week, is that we may have established the summer low and are slowly working our ways towards a nice fall resurgence back in the market. We'll note that livestock weight continues to really be more ideal, not leaning towards the overfed or heavy side. Now, I think part of this in helping keeping livestock more current in their marketings, high hay prices, as we've continued to see mixed hay results across the country. Last year was overall availability. This year seems to be leaning a little more towards quality and availability, as again, wet conditions have prevailed. That has made it a tough job for hay farmers, especially alfalfa hay farmers, to get quality hay put back up. So that is continuing to leave a pretty aggressive market here into the hay complex. Meanwhile, grain prices go back and forth. We'll have more next week at the WASDE report, seeing if that starts to give us some idea of where corn and soybean prices may go here through the rest of the year. Let's go over to your highlighted quotes for the week. We'll start at Centennial Livestock there in Colorado. They sold 102 head of 63-pound hair slaughter lambs for $199 a hundredweight, or $125 a head average. Upper end of the draft brought $215 a hundredweight, or $135 a head. Centennial also sold 35 head of 63-pound slaughter goats for $301 a hundredweight, or $190 a head. Kelowna, Iowa sold 88 head of 95-pound slaughter wool lambs for $194.50 a hundredweight, or $185 a head. Upper end of that draft brought $212.50 a hundredweight. That's $202 a head. Kelowna also sold 35 head of 63-pound slaughter goats for $249 a hundredweight, or $157 a head. Upper end of the draft brought $270 a hundredweight, or $170 a head. Sioux Falls Regional Livestock sold 969 head of 128-pound slaughter wool lambs for $205 a hundredweight, or $262 a head average. Upper end of the draft brought $213 a hundredweight, or $272 a head. Sioux Falls also sold 33 head of 71-pound slaughter goats for $276 a hundredweight, or $196 a head. Upper end of the draft brought $285 a hundredweight, or $202 a head. Producers Livestock in San Angelo, Texas sold 313 head of 66-pound slaughter hair lambs for $207 a hundredweight, or $136 a head. Upper end of that draft brought $221 a hundredweight, or $146 a head. I did cut the report a little early this week, so unfortunately don't have quite the full outlook like we have in some of the other reports. So let's go right over to your regional price breakdown. We're on the wool lambs, 20 to 40 pounds, $150 to $200 a hundredweight on a fairly thin test of numbers. Though on the wool lambs, 40 to 70 pounds, $160 to $235 a hundredweight, 70 pounds and up, $150 to $250 a hundredweight. Over in the hair lambs, 20 to 40 pounders, $150 to $238 a hundredweight, 40 to 70 pound hair lambs, $150 to $250 a hundredweight, 70 pounds and up, $140 to $250 a hundredweight. On the wool ewes, on the slaughter ewes, $35 to $150 a hundredweight. On the slaughter rams, on the wool side, $37.50 to $150 a hundredweight. Hair ewes, not enough for an applicable trend on the replacement, but on the slaughter hair ewes, $50 to $180 a hundredweight. Hair rams, $100 to $150 a hundredweight. On the kid goats, 20 to 40 pounds, $125 to $335 a hundredweight. 40 to 70 pounders on the kid goats, $140 to $317.50 a hundredweight. 70 pounds and up, that is $180 to $330 a hundredweight. Over on the withers, on the goat withers, 70 pounds and up, $235 to $330 a hundredweight. On the slaughter does, medium and fleshy, $110 to $220 a head. Replacement quality does, $150 to $235 a head. On the slaughter bucks, $170 to $282 a hundredweight. Albeit thin, breeding bucks saw trade $200 to $350 a hundredweight. That is a look here at your Midwest Sheep and Goat Market Report again for the week ending August the 12th. Have a great rest of your day.